Welcome to the video of Vort. Torah tells us in this week's Sedra about vidui ma'asros, that when giving certain tithes, the Torah demands that it comes along with a confessional. And in this confessional, we say, Hashkifa mimon kodshecha, God, look down upon us from heaven and bless us, uvarech esamcha Yisrael, because of the fact that we have performed the mitzvah of giving of ourselves, of tzedakah in its various forms, with absolute meticulousness. What is the meaning of this word, hashkifa, to gaze down from heaven, to look down from heaven? The Torah could more simply have used a more common word, which is re'iyah, to look. What is the difference between hashkifa, hashkafa, and re'iyah? Rav Shaul Yosef Nathanson Divrei Shaul says that re'iyah means to look, to gaze, or to glance. But hashkifa, hashkafa, that indicates a scrutiny, a very, very hard look, a nice, good, hard look. And when we look to Hashem, we say, Hashkifa mimon kadshecha, look down upon us from heaven. We don't want him just to gaze or to glance. We want him to look very, very carefully and to scrutinize us. Why would we want HaKadosh Baruch Hu to do that? Usually, when you scrutinize somebody, you launch an investigation. When you think a person may have done X, it might turn out that they've done X, Y, Z, because we're looking so carefully at the details of their life. But nevertheless, when we look to Hashem, we say, Hashkifa, gaze upon us and scrutinize, look very, very carefully. Why would we want Hashem to be doing that? Savo Kabbalah suggests that ordinarily it's true. When you look at somebody's life very carefully and with great scrutiny and intensity, you can find lots of stuff to criticize and to be critical of. When it comes to Hashem, however, in this context, we welcome it. And that is because of the fact that we are engaged, we are here in the midst of doing chesed for others. Tzedakah, maaser, we are giving to others. We are in essence saying, Hashem, look, we are dedicating ourselves to the klal. We are dedicating ourselves to the tzibur. And if that is the case, look down upon us. Look very carefully at this. We've done the mitzvah 100%. And if we've done it, then we've dedicated ourselves, then we, HaKadosh Baruch Hu, want you to look at us and treat us with that same type of compassion. Midah keneged midah. As we enter these days of the Yamim Noraim, let us dedicate ourselves to the klal, to tzedakah, to chesed, and thereby say to Hashem with great confidence, Hashkifa mimon kadshecha, don't just look at us at a glance, but take a nice, good, hard look. And doing so, Hashem, you will find extraordinary acts of chesed. Good Shabbos.